Hello guys, welcome to Timmy Becky's kitchen. In this video I'll be showing you how I made homemade crayfish, dry crayfish that will last my home for about 6 or more months, and you also can make that in your kitchen, guys. So watch. You can use a oven, the hydrator, and you can also use ready boiled crayfish to make this recipe, guys. So stay tuned and let's get started. If you are new to my channel, you are absolutely welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. For more recipe, please subscribe. So stay tuned, guys. So here I have the crayfish already dry, and now I'll be blending it with these gadgets. Wow, the blender really did a good job, guys. So here's the result of our homemade dry crayfish. Please, if you like this content, don't forget to give us a like. So guys, please help us to share this video, help us to like the video, please. It really helps so much. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.